Today's open house is really focusing on all of our academic areas of interest. Something we introduced a couple years back was this showcase session, which we're in right now, which allows students to kind of dabble in multiple different areas if they're undecided on a specific major or have different areas of interest, whether it's like criminal justice, horticulture, nursing, things like that. So it gives them a really good opportunity to kind of get a wide array of ability to speak with faculty and staff from different program areas, and then from here move directly into a facility tour. So if they know they're more focused on like criminal justice or nursing, they can actually go to these sites, see the facilities they'd be working with, and actually meet with faculty and staff more in an in-depth session at that time as well.
We show them all around campus. They get the full experience of what Morrisville is like. We set you up with an academic professor. They just know everything about the program.
It was very interesting to know that they're there for you, they care about you, and they're going to take care of you. Like I was just talking to a gentleman over there, he told me a little bit about the auto mechanics, and he was showing me how some of the things work. It was really interesting.
You actually get the full experience and be able to walk around, see the actual courses that you're probably going to take, and be able to get familiar with the college before you just get right off into school.
I feel like you have to come to the college to see it for yourself. Just get to know the people here. Just ask questions, ask as many questions you can. Just get to gain everything you can before you want to take a step.
You know, open house is really a great opportunity, I think, for any student, whether they're a freshman, sophomore, junior, senior, to really get an idea of what campus life is like. I think oftentimes students, wait till the last minute to decide on college, but I think really coming to an open house event like this really kind of helps broaden their perspective to what a Morrisville is like. So it really is kind of it's opening their eyes rather than kind of seeing it through the lens of a computer or their cell phone and things like that.
I'm a big believer in vibes and energy, and sometimes you can tell when a place is home when you're there and how you will adjust fine there or not.